Welcome back to EuroCompound. Before we dive in, a quick reminder that I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for educational purposes only. My portfolio is designed for one thing: consistent, long-term growth. But what if we looked far into the future? What if we never stopped adding, never stopped reinvesting, and let the real magic happen? To find out, I ran a simulation based on my current portfolio and strategy. These are the rules. Starting capital, €12,650. A monthly contribution of €550. And an estimated annual return of 9.5%, composed of 6% from capital growth and 3.5% from dividends. With these rules, here's how the EuroCompound portfolio could grow. After 10 years, it's projected to reach €142,000. After 20 years, it climbs to €475,000. And after 30 years of consistent compounding, it's projected to cross the €1 million mark, reaching €1.33 million. This isn't a guarantee. It's a projection. But it shows what's possible with a clear strategy, consistent contributions, and the unstoppable power of compounding. Thanks for watching. If you found this motivating, don't forget to subscribe to follow the journey. See you next month.